Okay, today we continue the saga of tearing up the old floor without any subfloor. And so yesterday, or the other day, we finished up the guest room. So all that floor is leaning up against the wall, boop, over there, boop. And today I tore up a good chunk of the floor in here, a little more than half. There's still like 4 or 5 feet left. But yeah, cool discovery here in the master is this enormous, like full timber, old growth tree beam. I measured it earlier. I think it was 8 by, was it 13? It's pretty big. Let's see. Yeah, it's got 8 inches there. Yeah. A little more than 13 inches across. The massive beam. Looks like it goes much further. I don't know if I can actually see with this light. It definitely goes into the next joist, but won't really know how far it truly goes until we, if and when we reno the other bathroom. Actually, come to think of it, there is like a weird bulkhead at the top of our stairs, because our stairway, I don't know if you can see the light coming in, but there is, let's actually see. I'll unzip this for a second. Oliver will make an appearance. So the beam is right here, and yeah, and so you see the wall comes down right there. Hey, Oliver. Hi. You want to say hi? Hi. Here's a good boy. But there's like a second bulkhead that's kind of hidden. I don't know if I can show it on the video. But there's a second bulkhead that comes down past that corner. And I think it bugs me all the time. And I've constantly wondered why it's there. And I think now I know why. It's this beam. This beam goes at least as far as the staircase, and probably further, because it's got to be supported on the other side by something substantial, and I doubt that it's cantilevered. So it at least goes to the other side of the downstairs hallway. Anyway, yeah, massive beam. You can see it embedded there in the brick. And goes all the way over there, at least past the stairs, if not more. And yeah, there's just like continues to be lots of rubble. Like a little bit of this is from me tearing up the floor, but a lot of this is just like plaster crap that must be here from just all of the years of renos. You can see that there's knob and tube wiring that's in here. All the knob and tube is disconnected. But it's still embedded in the floor. Plenty of these floorboards were very easy to take up because they had already been cut, to do some kind of work in the floor and then put back down. So, yeah, it's quite eclectic. We're trying to keep any pieces that have full tongue and groove and are at least 4 feet long separate. All the rest I'm just kind of putting in the joist cavities to keep out of our way. But the good stuff I'm stacking up because the company that we're buying our reclaimed flooring from will buy this flooring from us. So the more we can save, the better. So yeah, next time, hope to be able to finish pulling up this floor. And I think that's all for now. Till next time.